Hello, I'm Millie. Welcome to Slow to Flow, your slow, friendly English learning channel. Here, we learn English from real life, in real places, with real conversations. Today, our topic is daily English in real situations. We will visit 5 places: a coffee shop, a bus stop, a supermarket, a clothing store, and a park. At each place, I will talk to people. We will have short, natural conversations. Then I will break down the useful phrases. I will show you how English sounds when it is real, slow, and friendly. You can follow along, repeat after me, and learn step by step. Ready? Let's begin our day. All right, everyone. Now we are going to the bus stop. At the bus stop, people usually talk about time, schedules, waiting, delays, seats, and destinations. So in this scene, I will talk with a boy about the bus timing. After the scene, we will break down the useful phrases, and you can try to say the alternative expressions at home. Okay, let's go to the scene. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 27?
Oh, yes, this is Route 27. The bus should come at 8:15.
8:15. Oh, great, thank you. I'm trying to get to the city center.
Same here. I work near the city center, so I take this bus almost every day.
Oh, nice. Is it usually on time?
Usually yes, but sometimes it comes late, especially on Mondays.
Oh, Mondays, yeah. Everything moves slow on Mondays.
Right.
Do you know how long the ride takes?
About 20 to 25 minutes, but if there's traffic, maybe 30.
Ah, okay. I hope it's not crowded today.
Same. Yesterday it was so full, I had to stand the whole ride.
Oh, no. I have a heavy bag today, so I really hope I can sit.
Don't worry, this early there are usually seats.
That's good to know. Shh. Oh, is that our bus?
Yes, that's it. Route 27.
Perfect. Do you pay with cash or card?
Card, but they take cash too if you don't have a pass.
Great. Thank you for the info.
No problem. Let's get on.
Yep, let's go. Okay, now let's break down some useful phrases from this scene. Phrase 1. Is this the bus stop for Route 27? You can also say, does Route 27 stop here? Or, is this where Route 27 stops? Try saying those. Go ahead. Phrase 2. Is it usually on time? You can also say, does it normally arrive on time? Or, is it punctual? Phrase 3. How long does the ride take? You can also say, how long is the trip? Or, how much time does it take to get there? Phrase 4. I hope it's not crowded. You can also say, I hope there are seats, or I hope it's not full. Phrase 5. Let's get on. You can also say, let's hop on, or let's board the bus. Good. Practice these phrases and try to imagine your own conversation at a bus stop. Now we're heading to a coffee shop. Coffee shops are great places to practice everyday English, especially for ordering. Let's go. Hi there. Could I get an iced latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Got it. Would you like it with regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is fine, thank you.
Anything else?
Actually, could I also get a blueberry muffin?
Of course. That'll be $9 in total.
Perfect. Here you go.
Great. You can pick up your drink at the counter over there.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Iced latte for Millie.
Oh, that's me. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
I love iced coffee. Let's break down some useful phrases from this scene. First, could I get a polite and natural way to order something? Second, what size would you like? You'll hear this a lot when you order drinks. Third, anything else? Very common in shops and cafes. And finally, that'll be $9. That'll be means that will be. Now, you can also say, can I have a medium iced latte? Just a latte, thanks. No, that's all, when you don't want more. And here you go, when giving money or a card. Quick question for you. Do you drink coffee or tea? Type in the comments, I drink coffee, or I drink tea, or tell me your favorite drink. Quick question for you. Do you drink coffee or tea? Type in the comments, I drink coffee, or I drink tea, or tell me your favorite drink. All right, coffee done. Next, we're heading to the supermarket. Supermarkets are perfect for learning how to ask for things and find items. Let's go. Excuse me, where can I find peanut butter?
Peanut butter? Yeah, it's in aisle 6 on the top shelf.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Actually, do you guys sell almond milk?
Yep, that's in the fridge section near the yogurt.
Okay, great.
Sure thing.
Peanut butter, almond milk, and bananas. Sorry, one more question. Is the peanut butter sweet or unsweetened?
We have both. The sweet one is in a red jar. The unsweetened one is in a green jar.
Awesome. Thanks again.
Sure thing.
Let's break down the phrases from this scene. Where can I find? Very useful when searching for products. Do you guys sell? Means, do you have this product in your store? Fridge section means the cold area. Unsweetened, sweetened, talking about sugar content. You can also say, is this the right aisle? Do you have non-dairy milk? I'm looking for almond milk. Which one is better? Your turn. What do you always buy at the supermarket? Comment one item in English, like milk, rice, bananas, chocolate. Okay, our next stop is a clothing store. Here, we learn how to talk about sizes, colors, and trying things on. Let's go. Hi, do you have this in a size small?
Let me see. Yeah, we do. Here you go.
Awesome, thanks. Can I try it on?
Sure. Fitting rooms are on the right.
It fits, but maybe a different color. Do you have this in black?
Yeah, black and beige.
Ooh, beige sounds nice. Can I see it?
Here you go.
Oh, this looks cute.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I'll take this one.
Perfect. I'll ring you up at the counter.
Let's break down the phrases from this scene. Let's break down the phrases from this scene. Do you have this in a size small? Used for size and color. Can I try it on? Means, can I wear it before buying? Fitting rooms. Area where you try clothes. I'll take this one. Means, I will buy this. You can also say, is there a smaller size? Is this available in black? Does this look good on me? Where is the changing room? Your turn. Do you like shopping for clothes? Comment yes or no, and tell me your favorite color. All right, after shopping, let's take a little break at the park. Parks are great for small talk, especially about weather. Let's go.
Beautiful weather today.
Yeah, it's perfect for a walk.
Totally. Not too hot, not too cold.
Right. I usually come here in the afternoons.
Nice. I just finished some shopping and needed a break.
Coffee and fresh air. Good combo.
Exactly.
Anyway, enjoy your day.
You too. See you around. Let's break down the phrases from this scene. Beautiful weather today. A simple and natural way to start small talk. It's perfect for, used for activities. Example, perfect for a walk, perfect for a picnic. See you around. Casual goodbye, not a promise. You can also say, such a nice day. Great weather for running. Enjoy your afternoon. Take care. Your turn. Do you walk in parks in your city? Comment yes or no and tell me, morning or evening. And that was a full day of real English. Coffee shop, bus stop, supermarket, clothing store, and the park. If you enjoyed learning English this way, slow, natural, and real, hit like and subscribe. Also, tell me in the comments, which place should I visit next? I'll see you in the next video.